I don't have a review scheduled for this week, so instead I wanted to share all the gear I brought with me on my trip to central Mexico while I sit here in an Airbnb in San Miguel de Allende. Starting out with the backpack I've been carrying, this is the new 32-liter Bixi by Bihn traditional front panel opening bag, which so far has been working out great. Has a large front panel for small gear organization, traditional top opening main compartment, and two large zipper pockets inside the lid. Dedicated laptop sleeve in the back, and then padded shoulder straps with a luggage pass-through sleeve. The weather here has been warm and cloudy in the mornings with thunderstorms almost every afternoon, so I definitely recommend bringing an umbrella if you're gonna be in this part of Mexico during this time of year. These are all the clothes with me except for what I'm wearing: 2 pairs of pants, 3 t-shirts, 3 sets of socks and underwear, and a short sleeve polo shirt, all packed into these 2 packing cubes, a small and a medium Eagle Creek compression cube. The lightweight, packable, foamy Fjallraven hat is really good, and this is a light fleece jacket. I've only worn it once, but I'm glad I brought it. Brought a large scrubba, expecting to have to do laundry on the road. Airbnb ended up having a washing machine that I wasn't expecting, so I haven't had to use this, but I'll follow up on this when I get back. Fairly minimalist electronic setup, little charge brick, 2 larger cords, battery, earbuds, AirFly, little speaker, all that stored in the Pioneer carry pouch, and an e-reader. And this is what I've been filming with, little DJI Pocket 6. This thing is awesome little camera, especially if you want to take video. The gimbal works amazingly. I got the creator kit, so it's got the battery, tripod, extra little extension here, and a protective case for the camera. The sling I've been using, a little TomTalk Aviator 1.5. This thing is great just for carrying small gear around, sunglasses. I've been using it to carry on this little camera, and it works perfectly for that. This is a little USB powered white noise machine. It seems a little silly considering you can just use your phone, but I like having a dedicated device just sit there on the side of the bed, especially at night. This thing came in really handy in Guanajuato. Very lightweight and small. I think it's worth it in certain situations. This is our new product I'm testing. It's a magnet cord. This thing is actually really nice. It's a little bit heavier than just a regular cord, but not by much. And this thing, you can basically coil it in any orientation you want, and it just sticks together with a magnet and stays exactly the way you put it. They're on the same plugs here in Mexico, so I just brought my Misc adapter. This thing is high-powered, 2 USB-Cs, USB-A, little AirFly Pro for connecting to the television on the airplane, and a set of earbuds. For toiletries, I went again with my little Eagle Creek kit here. I've had this thing for years. It's still my favorite minimalist toiletry kit. This is everything I had in that kit: 2 soaps, liquid for laundry, solid for showering, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, lip balm, first aid kit, fingernail clippers, little package here for hair gel, mirror, razor, and a little case here for all the pills. A few miscellaneous things I haven't shown you yet. These were mostly because I was spending a long layover in the Denver airport, so the Matador ground cloth, which works really well for airports, and a little travel pillow with all the stuff taken out so you can fill it with your own clothes. Eagle Creek travel wallet, and then a Zenny case, sunglasses, and a little cloth. A few things I brought for food, a little spork just for eating on the road, and a couple of bags I've been testing out. These are the stash pouches, a little reusable bag, and then these are the Go pouches by Human Gear. I've really been liking these. This is a new first time in this trip. These things have a flat bottom, so they stand up on their own. The top opens and stays open. Really easy to pack, really easy to clean. These things have been working really well. That's everything I brought with me. I'll put a full packing list in the description below so you can see all the product names and links to all the gear. And if you want to see more information about some of these towns that we're visiting in central Mexico, we started out in Guanajuato. We're in San Miguel de Allende right now, and we're taking a bus to Queretaro tomorrow, spend a few days before flying out. I've been taking videos, posting some stuff around town in my other video called One Bag Walking, which I'll also post a link to in the description below. So I hope you like this overview on all the gear I brought with me on this trip to central Mexico. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.